So if you are looking forward to an experience which is quite minimal and it is actually having support for many devices, and this custom ROM named as Breeze OS, it is not actually a custom ROM, it's available as a GSI. So you can give it a try. If your device does not have any other custom ROMs basically available, then you can give it a try. If you want to experience some amazing things, for example, if you take a look at the status bar icons, there are new status bar icons available already, which are part of QPR update, which is not available right now. Of course, these are not the official ones, but it's good. If you take a look at the quick settings panel, we have some changes here available too, like mobile data icon. We have a new icon available. For most of the custom ROMs, it's not there. It's quite minimal, it's quite stock. So it is not a big deal. So you can use this thing on your device. And also it is just one of the most stable GSIs I have tried so far. There are a lot of GSIs available, and this is one of the options which I'm using right now. I'm talking about Breeze OS. I shared this GSI with you on my other channel already, but I guess on this channel, this is the first time. If you take a look at some other things, this is a travel settings. Basically, GSI is a different thing. This is quite common, and you can install it on many other travel supported devices very easily, but make sure you know how to install this thing. I'll make a video. Actually, I have a video available on how to install this GSI without even wiping your device data and so on. You just need to root your device. So I'll share the link in the description for that. But if you want to install GSI according to your own method, you can do that too. It's totally up to you. Settings UI, it's quite similar, quite common, like you get in Android 16 stable stock Android, so it's good. But what about other features, if something is available here or not? We have sidebar, which is good. You can use for some kind of floating windows kind of things, multitasking. If you want to use it, it's totally up to you. If you don't want to use it, you can simply skip this thing. Including this option, we also have app lock support. So suppose if you're using lineage custom ROM, which does not have major features or major customizations, but you need some useful things, but you don't want to wipe your data because of some only few 2 or 3 features. For example, app lock, yes, that's part of lineage custom ROM, but some other features which are actually kind of spoofing options and so on. Like in this case, if you move on to miscellaneous options, we have spoofing options. Some amazing security bypass features available too. Application downgrade, hiding the screen capture status, no storage restrict, ignore Windows secure flags, and so on. These features aren't part of Lineage OS at all. So basically, you can install this GSI, and as I just told you, I will give you the link in the description for how you can install that thing. So install the GSI according to that, no data wipe, and you can experience some amazing things. So some things, for example, these kind of features are available with Evolution XOS custom ROM and Infinity X. But if you're not able to try out those custom ROMs because of some reasons, if it is not available for your device, but if your device is rooted, you cannot install those custom ROMs, but you can install this GSI to experience some amazing things. That's actually not bad. You can give it a try. Everything else is just similar. So this is it. These were the things just wanted to let you know. This is Breeze OS GSI, download link, etc. etc. Everything is available in the description. This is it. Thanks for watching. Hope you like this video. If you like this, make sure to drop a like, and I will see you in the next one. Until then, take care.